Guys, we did it. We're here. It's the last week and you made it. You did it. It's this final stretch and we're home free and you get summer. So, let's see how you can end strong. All right. Obviously, there's no class on Monday because it's Memorial Day. Woohoo! And this is actually a pretty chill final week. In fact, this week is all about just an opportunity for you guys to kind of share and reflect. So, for example, you only have one real assignment this week, if you will. During the Zoom sessions, you guys are going to complete a final reflection survey and, we'll get to say goodbye. Then during the week, all you're going to be doing is you're going to go to the class share discussion board and you're going to look through the different presentation videos of some of your peers so that you can see what they did, so that you can celebrate them and their amazing project, just like we would have shared if we were all in class together. And you'll get, people seeing yours and their feedback. So that's pretty exciting. The only other thing we're doing this week is on Friday, or by Friday, you guys are going to complete one final assignment for me called Persuade Me. And in that final assignment, your job is to tell me what you think you deserve on your final project and why. It's your opportunity to tell me your side of the story, Did you put your heart and soul into this project? Or did you try something new and feel like ultimately maybe it didn't work out as well as you thought it would? Whatever you want to say to me, this is your chance to do it during this Persuade Me assignment. So that's really it. And then you guys have made it to summer. So just to recap, during the Zoom sessions, it's our reflection survey and words of farewell. During the week, you guys are going through the discussion board and looking at other people's projects, and then you guys are going to vote on some of your favorites. And then finally, on the last day, you guys are just going to write a quick Persuade Me reflection on what you think you deserve for your final project and why. And that's it, guys. Then you're done for my class. And I'm going to miss you guys so much. And I know that this was a wacky way to end our semester, but I'm so glad that I got to work with you guys both in and out of the classroom, and I'll miss you, and you should come back to visit, okay? All right. Well,